Hi all. Today I've come up with addiction and de-addiction. Children love to explore new things, be it a new game, gadget, or a household utensil. They are filled with never-ending curiosity to learn and understand the world around them. When we elders find it a burden to answer their calls, children end up getting addicted to freely available source of entertainment. Often parents find peace when their child is glued to the TV, mobile phones, or video games. They won't come soon to pester their parents. When we are busy with our jobs and schedule, the hour spent in front of these fantasies increases, and gradually, the child gets addicted to such entertainment. It is at this stage parents might be thinking about keeping away from such unhealthy routines. Addiction is easy and gradual, but to erase is a Herculean task. The child has found pleasure in those cartoon shows or video games and is unable to explain how bad it is at their growing stage. So, before things go worse, make use of the parental control option available in your gadgets. Set timers and timetable for screen time. De-addiction turns a disaster if the change is brought suddenly. It's better to implement such rules and timers without their knowledge. For example, if a child loves to play video games and is glued to it for hours, make out plans like a new game with family or mind games that needs just their presence of mind. Books and board games can also be introduced as an alternative to screen time and de-addiction method. An important thing before you set limits for your child is assess yourself as to the need for such a move. Your child found pleasure away from you as you were busy with your own course and schedule. So, if you take a decision to keep away from such unhealthy addictions, promise yourself that you will prioritize your quality time with your child. Only then your hard work will be fruitful. An independent child is far better than a pampered one. But that doesn't mean you should keep away from the parental care. Even though your child is self-assisted, it takes much love and affection to cuddle and hug your children. They are growing up. If you make a habit to assure your love towards them, it makes much difference in the mental and psychological health and growth of your child. So, make use of your quality time. Think wise and act towards all those addictions and unwanted habits according to your child.